They've never seen a camera before.
Is it filming right now? Oh yeah.
Yeah, like their eyes are like not adjusting to the light. You can see their pupils are so enlarged right now, especially like Porphyry's.
Alright, here, can I take this? How
Yeah.
much video time do I get?
You probably got another 3 hours on there.
Oh wow, nice phone.
It's 32 gigabyte internal memory.
Oh, that's good. These are my parakeets. They're all budgies. They're all Australian budgies. And they're just chilling out. I just cleaned their cage, so they're super happy right now because they get to be all clean like and such. Wow, that one in the back there, we named it Noodle. It almost looks yellow in this camera light, but it's actually a super like pearl translucent kind of coloring going on, diluted feathers. Very beautiful. We got good marking going on all of our birds here. We only take the best. This is baby Piccolo. Hi baby Piccolo. Hi Mimi.
Doesn't want to be on camera.
Come on baby.
Not very photogenic.
It's the baby Piccolo. Uh-oh. Man, it looks so bright. How do I get this bird from not looking like a Piccolo? No. That's baby Piccolo. He looks like a.
Here.
Wait a second.
No, the whole thing's been recording.
What? It's kind of been recording. You guys, we didn't even get him fluffed up. Alright, so, oh, there we go. Okay, so, like, we get into the flash radius and it's just too bright. I see. How can you turn the light off, or it always records with the light on?
Turn it off. I think if I turn the autofocus off on the camera.
Alright, we're having technical difficulties here with the baby Piccolo. As you can see, there's a little turd on my hand now. Parakeets do this. Oh, don't eat it. Parakeets do this every 5 minutes or so, maybe even more. We're still researching. It's called a trash can, folks. Use it. Yeah. It's the wee baby Piccolo. Hi, baby Piccolo. Our parakeets are super tame. Oh, what is this? I can't even see. Turn this phone options off. Alright, there we go.
Don't hold that button.
Oh, okay, I see.
Power button, you hold that, gives you phone
Oh, okay. There you go. You can get a really good view of them in the light there. I still can't get too close though. It's got a little bit of blue in him, but my friend argues that it's just the grayed down feathers. But he is green with a yellow base. There you go. Very cute. So see, he's not very big. It's a little parakeet. And he probably wants to go back and see his friends. So obviously this isn't their only cage. They've got another cage that they sleep in, and then I've got this. Oh, I can't hit that thing. Okay. They got this downstairs area that they sleep in too. It doesn't look fantastic here, but they like all these perches, so I set it up this way. Just a little nesting area if they were to want to nest. Probably should change that water. And There you go. This is Cheek right here. Hi, Cheeky. Hi, Cheeky. Hi, Chica Beak. Oh, see, he's very cheeky. So these parakeets are really tame. You can handle them. Although they may not like it, but they will accept. They don't bite at all. I could not get this bird to bite me if I tried. You know why? It loves me. And it knows I'm not going to kill it. That's the other reason why it doesn't bite me. It's not trying to defend against anything. It's just they'll squawk if they're frustrated, or they'll struggle.
Look at the giant parakeet shadow. You see the giant teeth?
Yeah.
Here's the parakeet shadow. Oh no, my parakeet shadow got destroyed. Cheek, you killed the parakeet shadow.
Wow, that was like.
Okay.
Yours.
Hi, Cheeky. Hi, Cheeky. Hi, Cheeky. Oh, the shadow was being created by the goddamn camera. That's annoying. So there's no way that we can actually see it on camera. No matter how fast I move Cheek, the shadow will always block him. It's like a constant eclipse. But my friends can see this amazing puppet show that's going on. Sorry, this camera is kind of hard for me to handle in my current state of... Yes, inebriatedness. So Cheek has his own method of getting back to the cage. Their wings are clipped, but their feathers will grow back within 3 weeks. It's like a fingernail or toenail clipping in pain equivalents. It doesn't hurt them at all, of course. So Cheek just climbed up the wire to get back to his cage. That's his little shortcut. I'm sorry. Lauren. So you see Cheek's wings are a little bit open. Cheek might puff up right now. But wings are still open, and what that means is he's a little bit, I don't know why I'm saying he. Cheek is a little bit stressed out right now. She's not happy that I just kind of handled her. You know, they're willing to accept to be grabbed, but they don't really like it. Of course. Probably I don't think these guys have ever been filmed before like this. They're probably really unfamiliar with what's going on. Other guys are like, what's wrong, man? Cheek's kind of the loner too. Poor Cheek. So a very special person once told me that if you take a chicken and you put it in with the rest of the chickens, all the chickens will peck it to death. But if you put it in with them while they're sleeping, they'll all wake up and they'll never know what happened. So maybe that's why Cheek's stressed out. He sees all the chickens ready to peck him to death. It's okay, Cheeky. What's wrong? What's wrong, Cheekabeak? What's wrong, Cheeky? We love you, Cheeky. Go eat some millet. See, there's nothing wrong. Cheekabeak-a-beak. Cheekabeak-a-beak. Oh, are you trying to like have the branches not cross? How are they gonna get to their food though? They have to like scale down the cage?
Yes.
That's kind of what they do already anyway.
Yes, it's exactly what they do.
Come on, Chica Beak. Come on, Chica Beak. Chica Beak. Oh. Gave me the old one eye. Here, Cheek, get on your swing. Come on, Cheeky. Come on, Chica Beak. Chica Beak. She's like, screw that, I'm just gonna climb out of here like a jailbird. Oh, snap. Oh, pull up. Get it on.
Oh, thank you.
Shoot.
Where'd it go?
What?
The little nugget.
Oh, it's right here. Huh. So these are the Keats. You've now seen them. Hey, how do you
Stop.
yeah.
It's weird. It won't stop.
It won't stop.
For every song
Locked.
you hear, there
How
are
did you
dozens
lock
of
it?
people working to make it
Oh,
successful.
there
From
you go.
engineers, producers,